Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Fun Daily. I am so happy you're here with us today.
Hello! Yes, a big welcome to you all. Today we have a very important and sometimes stressful topic, airport immigration English.
Oh, the dreaded immigration officer. Tell me, my friend, how do you feel when you step off a plane in a new country and walk up to that big desk?
To be completely honest, my heart beats really fast. Even though I have all my papers, I always feel like the officer is going to think I am a secret spy.
A secret spy. Yes, everyone gets a little nervous. But today, we are going to change that. We will teach you the exact simple words to answer every question calmly and with a big smile.
That is right. But before we open the passport control gates, please hit that subscribe button and give us a nice comment below. It helps our channel grow and helps more learners find us.
Now, before we get into the main lesson, I have to confess something embarrassing. The first time I traveled internationally all by myself, I completely messed up at the immigration counter.
Oh no, what happened? Don't tell me you forgot your passport.
Worse, I had my passport, but I was so nervous that I didn't understand a simple question. The officer looked at me, looked at my passport, and asked, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
That is a normal question. Everyone gets asked that. What did you say?
My brain completely froze. I thought he was asking about my life goals or why I was born. So I leaned forward, looked him dead in the eye, and whispered, "I am here to find myself and eat a lot of French fries."
No way. You did not tell an immigration officer you came just to eat fries. What did he do?
He paused, stamped my passport very slowly, and said, "Well, the fries here are good. Welcome to the country, philosopher. Next."
That officer had a great sense of humor. But see, even when you panic and say something crazy, you survive. But today, we want you to feel so prepared that you will not need to talk about French fries at all.
Exactly. Let us learn the real simple phrases so you can breeze through immigration with zero stress.
Let us jump straight into a realistic immigration interview. Imagine you just landed, you walked up to the counter, and the officer is looking at you. Listen carefully.
Next, please. Good afternoon. Passport, please.
Good afternoon. Here is my passport.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for a vacation. I am staying for 1 week.
Where are you staying? Do you have a hotel reservation?
Yes, I am staying at the Grand Hotel downtown. Here is my booking confirmation.
Great. And when is your return flight?
My flight back home is next Friday, on the 10th.
Perfect. Look at the camera, please. Smile. All right, you are all set. Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
That was clear, polite, and very simple, right? Let us look at the grammar points we used.
Point number 1 is I am here for, or I am here on. This is the fastest way to explain why you entered the country. For example, I am here for vacation, I am here for business, or I am here to visit family. Keep it short and direct.
Point number 2 is using simple present and future with is/are for your plans. Instead of complicated grammar, just say, "My hotel is downtown," or "My flight is on Friday." Officers love short, clear facts.
Point number 3 is using polite response phrases like, "Here is my passport," or "Yes, here is the booking." Handing papers over with a polite phrase makes the officer's job easy and keeps the mood friendly.
Now, let us learn 8 important words and phrases for airport immigration. Listen closely and repeat after me.
Word 1, purpose, meaning the reason why you are doing something, like visiting a country. Example sentence, what is the purpose of your trip? Mini dialogue, what is your purpose? Tourism, pronunciation practice. Say it with me, purpose. Good.
Word 2, vacation, meaning a holiday, a time when you travel for fun, not work. Example sentence, I am on vacation for 2 weeks. Mini dialogue, are you working here? No, vacation. Pronunciation practice, vacation. Excellent.
Word 3, return ticket, meaning a ticket that shows you are going back home. Example sentence, do you have a return ticket? Mini dialogue, where is your ticket home? Here is my return ticket. Pronunciation practice. Return ticket. Perfect.
Time for a mini practice. We will do a short role play. I will play the immigration officer, and you at home will be the traveler. Speak out loud when you hear the pause.
Here we go. Let's start.
Good morning. Passport, please. Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit today? Very nice. And how long are you planning to stay? Perfect. Do you have a hotel reservation to show me? Excellent. Look at the camera, please. Welcome to the country. That was wonderful. I heard you speaking clearly. You are completely ready for your next trip. Time for a mini practice. We will do a short role play. I will play the immigration officer, and you at home will be the traveler. Speak out loud when you hear the pause.
Here we go. Let's start.
Good morning. Passport, please. Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit today? Very nice. And how long are you planning to stay? Perfect. Do you have a hotel reservation to show me? Excellent. Look at the camera, please. Welcome to the country. That was wonderful. I heard you speaking clearly. You are completely ready for your next trip. Let us do a quick review of what we mastered today. We learned how to answer the big question using I am here for.
We also practice sharing key facts like where we are staying and when our return flight leaves, using simple sentences.
And we learned essential words like purpose, vacation, return ticket, reservation, and stay.
Keep these phrases fresh in your mind, and you will walk through immigration like a total VIP.
You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing every single day. And remember, never tell the immigration officer you came just to find yourself and eat fries.
Exactly. Save the jokes for your friends. Thank you so much for listening today.
Before you go, drop a comment below and tell us, what country do you want to visit next? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this podcast with someone who loves to travel.
Have a wonderful day, keep practicing your English, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.